That monkey's might fly out of my butt.
I tell you, I don't get no respect. No respect at all.
I want the kids in bed by night. I want the dog fed, the yard watered, and the gate locked. And get a note to the milkman. No more cheese.
Yo, Adrian, it's me, Rocky.
I know nothing. Nothing.
You understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
No.
It's not a tumor.
What are you looking at, butthead?
Did I do that?
Don't make me angry. You wouldn't like me when I'm angry.
Do not go in there. Woo!
I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore.
Go!